So good morning everyone, respected teachers, parents, and valued members of our community. It is truly an honor to speak with you today about something that is at the heart of our mission, ensuring the best possible education for our students. So education is not just about imparting knowledge. It's about preparing our children for the future, equipping them with the skills, values, and mindset needed to thrive in ever-changing world. So as we navigate the 21st century, we recognize that the traditional approach to education must evolve. So the world is changing rapidly. Technologies, industries, and even the way we communicate are vastly different from what they were a decade ago. So to keep up with this shift, we must rethink and refine our curriculum to ensure our students are prepared for the challenges and opportunities ahead. So today, I am excited to share with you our school's new approach to curriculum planning and design. So this initiative is not just about change, it's about our transformation. So our goal is to create a curriculum that is innovative, inclusive, and impactful, one that foster academic excellence while nurturing creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration. So our curriculum redesign has been collaborative effort. So we have worked closely with educators, curriculum experts, and our broader school community to ensure that our approach is research-based, aligned with the national and state educational standards, and the most importantly, tailored to the needs of our students. So this process has evolved careful planning, data-driven, and decision-making, and the commitment to continuous improvement. The teaching method are just as important as the content itself. So our approach to instruction will be diverse and inclusive, ensuring that every student, regardless of their learning styles or ability, has an opportunity to succeed. So we will utilize differentiated instruction to cater to individual learning needs, collaborative learning to promote teamwork and communication, and experiential learning that allows students to engage in hands-on real-world application to their knowledge. So technology is a powerful tool in modern education. Our new curriculum integrates digital learning platforms, interactive media, and adaptive learning technologies to make education more engaging, personalized, and accessible. So this will allow students to learn at their own pace while gaining valuable digital literacy skills. So we believe that assessment should be more than just exam and grades. So it should be a tool for learning, and that's why we are adopting formative assessment. So that provide real-time feedback and allows teachers to tailor instruction to meet the needs of each student. Performance-based assessment and project learning will also be key components, ensuring the students can apply what they have learned in meaningful ways. So education is a shared responsibility. While we are implementing this curriculum change within the schools, so their success depends on the collective effort of our entire community, teachers, parents, and local partners. Your support is crucial in reinforcing these learning strategies at home and in the community. So this is not a one-time change. It is an ongoing process. So we value your input and will continually assess and refine our curriculum to ensure it remains effective and relevant. So we welcome your thoughts, ideas, and feedbacks to help us make this initiative as impactful as possible. Together, we have the power to shape the future of education for our students. Your engagement, support, and collaboration will make all the difference in ensuring the curriculum meets its full potential. So let's work hand in hand to inspire a generation of learners who are not only academically strong but also compassionate, adaptable, and ready to make a positive impact in the world. Thank you for your time, your commitment, and your dedication to our student success. I look forward to working with all you in this journey of education excellence. Thank you.